Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your front headlights perfectly clear, looking brand new. And what we're going to use is a high pressure power washer. And what you want to do is you want to stand about 3 to 4 feet back and keep it at around, so mine goes up to 2400 psi, pounds per square inch. Keep it right around like 1,000 pounds per square inch, and you want to go back and forth evenly. And I already did that one, but I'm just showing you guys the results of how clear it can make your power washer. How clear it can make your headlights. And it'll make your headlights look brand new, which will increase the value of your car. It'll make the lenses on your headlights look brand new. Now I go over to my Ford Fiesta and I show you guys how it's a little blurry. Now I'm doing the same thing that I did over on my Kia Sportage, standing about 5 feet back, but with the thing right up to it. And you're gonna do evenly at around, anywhere between like 1,000 to 1,200 pounds of pressure per square inch. And just look how clear that looks. It's so clear that you could see my LED light sticking out. You could see all the lights. It is looking fantastic. And you're gonna want to do that to your front headlights, to your back headlights, your back tail lights, all of that stuff. Now I'm going to show you my next light that's a little worse off. I didn't do it as much, and you'll see the difference. This one's more sort of foggy. Sorry. Alright, so yeah, that one's kind of foggy. And what I did was you take the power washer and you're going back and forth, and basically it's almost like you're sanding it down. So you're trying to do it as evenly as possible. This will even get rid of scratches on your headlights and on your tail lights. I do not recommend doing this. See, look how clear that is. I do not recommend doing this to the paint on your car. It could definitely blast the paint off, so you want to be extra careful when you're doing this. But it's a great way to make your headlights look brand new. So if you have like foggy or scratched headlights and it's interrupting, now I'm going to the back of the car. I just wanted to fast forward it for you guys. But if it's interrupting, how you're seeing at night, the vision that you're seeing at night, things along those lines, you're gonna want to use a power washer. If you don't own a power washer, you can go to your local car wash, and a lot of times in the automatic car washes, right there I'm showing that there is a scratch, and I buff it out with the power washer. I was showing that that scratch is now gone. I rewind and then show it. But it's a great way to get rid of scratches and things along those lines. When you use it at around 1,200 psi, you will get rid of the scratches and things along those lines. You go evenly throughout the whole thing, and you should not have a problem, and it'll make your car look fantastic. Alright, so I would just like to thank you for watching. Click like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.